We begin with a pandemic and a surge of cases spurred by the Omicron variant. Hello, I'm your host, Ricky Saillas. Local leaders are urging everyone to continue to fight against the virus by practicing recommended guidelines.
We want to talk today about what's going on in our community.
Mayor Oscar Leister and County Judge Ricardo Samaniego joined forces to encourage the community to protect themselves and loved ones against the virus. COVID cases remain high and hospitalizations are increasing. Public Health now urging parents to get vaccinated. Meanwhile, people with COVID-19 symptoms are asked to get tested, stay home, and isolate from others for at least 5 days.
It is better to prevent this infection by getting vaccinated. Omicron is one of the variants of the COVID virus, which has been proven to be more infectious, meaning there's going to be a lot of people that you know around you or even yourself that are going to be infected with the COVID.
The message to fight the virus has not changed. Wear a mask indoors or in large crowds, get vaccinated or boosted, practice good hygiene by washing your hands. Testing and vaccination locations can be found at epstrong.org. The Public Health Department is starting off the new year by reminding everyone about the services and programs available to women, infants, and children. We take a closer look at the WIC program that's helping our community.
De buenos días, ¿me escuchas? Soy Norma, aquí el programa de WIC.
The WIC program offers nutrition education, breastfeeding support, referrals to social and healthcare services, as well as healthy food packages for women, infant, and children.
Hola, buen día, tengo citas.
To qualify for the WIC program, a participant must live in El Paso or Hospice area. They must qualify through income guidelines. They must meet certain income guidelines and also be of category, which would be women who are pregnant, who have had a baby, who are breastfeeding, infants, and then children up to the age of 5.
Miss Erica, you ready? Hi, yes.
We know that for pregnant moms who are participating in the WIC program, studies have shown that they have better outcomes of having a healthy delivery, a healthy baby. We also know that it helps our children lower the risk of certain diseases such as obesity, diabetes, because we equip them, empower them with education, nutrition education, and support. We try to provide services all around the El Paso and county area. So we do have 12 WIC centers around the city, and we also have a mobile unit that goes to the outskirts of the county. For example, Tornillo, Sierra Blanca.
Breastfeeding can actually burn up to 200 to 500 calories a day.
Citizenship is not a requirement to qualify in the WIC program as long as they live in El Paso, and they can provide us a proof that they live here, whether it's maybe a letter they're living with a relative or anything with their name and an address here in El Paso County. Or if you have a child, you have an infant, you're pregnant, or if you've had a baby, just come to the WIC program, ask about what kind of services, whether it's right for you.
Thank you to Jose Solis for putting together that video. To learn more about the WIC program, go ahead and visit the Department of Public Health online. Residents have an opportunity to participate in the ongoing redistricting process. The city's Redistricting Commission has held a few meetings already, but more are scheduled. The redistricting process will establish new voting districts for city representatives that will stay in place for the next decade. Boundaries are redrawn at the local, state, and federal level every 10 years following the census. Public input for the city council boundaries is encouraged. Information on the process and upcoming meetings is posted on the SHAPE EP website. That website is at the bottom of your screen. There's a new member of the family at the El Paso Zoo. Meet Hadari. The 4-year-old male now calls El Paso home. He's been at the zoo under quarantine since November, but now he's out, ready to meet the public. His move to the zoo from Colorado came in part through a $5,000 donation by the El Paso Downtown Lions Club.
We're excited that Lions are be able to provide a lion to the zoo. We hope you would enjoy, the whole community will enjoy them for a long time.
It was hugely appreciated that the Lions Club stepped up with that $5,000 to help for that, pay for that transport, and also for care and food and the treats we give them and everything else for the lions. So those kind of donations are just greatly appreciated.
Hudari joins fellow lionesses Zari and Malika as part of a breeding recommendation. You can see Hudari and all of the animals at the zoo Wednesday through Sunday. Thousands of pets in our city are healthier and safer thanks to the efforts of animal services. The shelter recently held a drive-through pet wellness clinic where pet owners had a chance to take their pets to get vaccinated and microchipped, all free of charge. More than 1,000 pets receive care from shelter staff, volunteers, and shelter partners like Petco Love and 24 Pet Watch. The wellness event was a welcome sight for pet owners who took advantage of the service.
We just want to thank all the pet parents that made it out to this free clinic. You know, we were able to protect more than 1,000 pets for this upcoming year from treatable but very dangerous diseases like parvo and distemper. This is our effort at El Paso Animal Services to not only care for the animals in the shelter, but also take care of those animals in the community that also need us as well.
Animal Services anticipates hosting another pet wellness clinic in February. Make sure to follow the shelter on social media to find out when the next event will be. We're out of time on this edition of Your City in 5, and now we're off to go cover some other city happenings. But for now, for Mario Ramirez, who's in front of the camera, I'm Ricky Saillas. Stay safe and please be kind to each other. We'll see you next time on Your City in 5. Let's go. YC5!